So today is day 17 of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge. Ngasi se ai gi hojik chathariba 90 days trading challenge ki taratare suba numit October 12, 2022. Let's have a short review of today's trading session and the trades that I have executed for today. As usual, let's see the important levels that we have marked for today depending on the earlier sessions. So for Bank Nifty, this is an important supply zone or the resistance area. Hanagi CJ supply zone na mark taure sidagi selling lakibanina. This is the second important supply zone for today. This is the third important supply zone for today. And then this is an important demand zone or support area which I had marked from the previous day. This is another support area which I had marked from previous day, and this is the last support area which I had marked from previous day. Now let's have a short recap of how the market played out yesterday. Yesterday market was holding on to this support area. Ngarang se market se sigi support area sida adum hold tauraga kuina lerambadagi last hour in the late afternoon it break down from this support area sida around 2:50 p.m. around 3 p.m. sidagi breakdown thokana sigi market se sharp selling ama lakiba. So I was expecting the market to retest this support area. Sigi support area se retest tawra matungda amkom kelakani haina aina thajaba, and because as usual we know that if there is a support area like this, and once the market break down from here, it would come to retest this level and then it would break down again, usually like this. So I was expecting for this level to get retested and then break down. This is what I was planning for the day. Now let's see how the market opened for the day and how the trade went on. The ahanbada market si ngarang sida closing peak rate 38,637 da. Then after that market opened slightly gap up with of around 100 to 100 points. Sida gap up like 160 points gap up. Then market sharply pulled back to this support area. Si support area si yung nachingsilamaga sidai kakala matungda sigi ngarangi sigi resist support area kaitha gibje sigi kaitha gibje hoji koina explain taw kidu maina sumain laire sumaina kaitha rure sida retest la aga sumaina mkien gani habaneba tumaina si se si ngarang kaitha gibse si sumaina kaitha rure adagi si retest la eba retest la kana I was expecting after this retest of this support area I was expecting market to go down till this support area. That is why I initiated my trade at this time around 10 a.m. Sida here at this 10 a.m. I initiated a trade. I shorted. Since today is one day ahead of expiry, I was selling options instead of buying. I shorted 38,900 call option. 38,900 call option si aina sida sell tawrakanda I kept my stop loss here above this swing high. So I kept my stop loss above this level and then I entered my trade here. So entered tawra matungda I was expecting the market to touch this level, but sigi mapasi yorkani haina aina thajabne du kitang yawatlamaga sidagi reversal lakpa hokre, but I was trailing my position on every swing. Sidagi swaina kare chilaire Waina mukare Swain kumbakanda I was trailing my position here, and once the market broke away from this swing high, my stop loss was hit and I exited the position at cost to cost. Haidi mahutta dum nanto oreba 920 sida 1000 call 38,900 call option si sell to 955 loss ale duga magi hedging position duda 38,000 hedging position duga alegre 40,000 call option sile hedging position sida plus alaga lupa 35 rupees kumbai to muni si trade sida ko I was in a profit of around 35 rupees only, because since I entered my position around here and exited around here, I was in a profit of around 35 rupees only in this trade. Now my second trade was taken right after this candle sigi hek exit tawloibaga I instantly I initiated my second trade here. The logic behind this trade is that isna karino hai matamda market there is a trend line from the earlier session. Sigi trend line ama hana degi sigi trend line ama laire. Sigi trend line sigi candle sina break tawre. This candle has broken away from this trend line, sloping downward trend line. This candle has broken away from this, and besides I was keenly observing an higher high formation in the time frame. Sidagi sumaina kumambado kumdabida, instead of forming a lower low formation, market was starting to form a higher high formation, as we can observe. See, W, it's forming a W pattern around here. So I initiated my trade here, keeping my stop loss below this level. See level sida stop loss tame I trade to sida initiate tawgre with a stop loss of with the target of this swing high. See, this is my first target and this is my second target. So I exited my trade at this time around 225. Around 225 ta ina exit tawgre hojiki trade se. Let's see here. Yes, around 223 I exited my trade. Then I made a profit of around 9,581 in this trade, and this is my hedge position ki loss neba. So overall I made around 8,581 in this trade. What is the logic behind this exit is that this is the supply zone that I had mentioned earlier. So once market broke down from this supply zone, I exited my trade here instead of waiting for my second target. That's so until today, after 17 trading sessions, I have almost reached my capital to around 1,92,000, which I had started from around 1,07,000 when this series was started. Sigi series horpa matamda la amaga lising terete hogibadu ngasi bauta la amaga lising maudrani to yaure. That's all for today.